Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another tutorial today. We're going to be using our lovely Elements ink pads and of course our VersaFine clairs to stamp with. We've got a combination of stamps we're going to use today on our multifarious card. So let's get started. I'm going to use the branch stamp to begin with. So I'm just inking that up and then I'm going to pop that down at the top, near the top of the card. Like so, and then I'm going to use, this is our fairy swing bed. Now this is the smallest one and it's going to work really nicely with our little pound stamp, which is a lamp, and we're going to pop that in the middle there, so it's a good size to work with the lamp. So inking up in the black, and then I'm going to pop that down like it's hanging from the branch and let that just rest a while on the card. It's got a lot of detail in and we want to keep that detail. Good press. And there it is, and you can see all that lovely fine intricate detail, and that's stamped out really nicely. Now I've got my little lamp. I'm going to ink up that and then pop that in the middle. Like so, and now I'm going to start adding a little bit of colour now. So I need my stencil brushes, and we'll start with the Sundance. It's a nice vibrant yellow. And now I'm going to use some of the Bermuda. And I'm just building up that lovely colour all the way around, because we're creating more of a night scene. I think something so simple it's quite an effective card. You know, if you just put a Christmas verse even under that. So now I'm going to use some of the graphite. Deepen that colour yet again. It's all about bringing in layers of colour, building them up, and you can see what a difference that's just made now, just by adding that depth of colour. So let's have a look. I'll add a little bit of foliage to that now. So I've got another little pound stamp here. I'm just going to add something to the branch. So let's pick another colour. We've got Warm Breeze. Let's have a look what foliage we've got as well. This time I'm going to ink up in the twilight. I'm going to stamp off and then just and then we've got our little pippin here, another pound stamp, and I'm going to ink him up in black. And I'm just going to pop him down here. And then let's just ground where he is. So I'm going to pop that down just over his paws at the bottom there, and then going back to the graphite, inking up and you can make this as dark and as magical as you want. Now I'm going to use part of this just at the top of the lamp here, just so like it's looking like it's hanging down. So just the very top I'm going to use. There we go. And now I've got my white Posca pen, and I'm going to just fill that lamp in the middle there with the white. And I'm going to dot a few little stars in the sky. And I've got my yellow here, and I'm just going to dot again down at the bottom, like so. And let's finish on a little bit of glitter. Okay, let's have a look what colours we've got. I think we'll stick with the blue theme, so I'm going to use the mermaid blue. So I've got my glue pen here, and all I'm going to do is just add a few little dots onto this lovely fairy swing bed. and just a few dots coming down. And there it is. So a really nice quick card, great for a Christmas card. All you need is just a little verse there. Thanks so much guys for joining me today. I hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. You take care and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.